Hello my dear students. Today we start our next lesson. Okay, firstly give me answer. Would you like to listen a story? Yes, I think every child like to listen a story. In this next lesson also we are going to learn about one nice story, that is the mice and the elephant. The mice and the elephant. So what happened? It means very odd combination, the mice and the elephant. You know, the mice was very small, the elephant was very big. So how the story is, what happened in the next, we are going to study about that. Okay, are you ready? Okay. So in this lesson, now we discuss about the what happened, exactly what happened with that mouse, with that elephant. Okay, so a long time ago, there was a terrible earthquake. There was a terrible earthquake. So here terrible, it means terrible. It means very bad, very bad. Okay, and earthquake, it means earthquake. Earthquake, it means shaking of the ground. Shaking of the ground. Okay, so it was a terrible earthquake. Then what happened? It means very big earthquake is occurring there. So next is the earth shook so much that people ran out of their houses. People ran out of their houses in one small village. All the mud huts fell down. All the muds fell down. The villagers picked up whatever was left of their belongings. So they left the village and went to another village nearby. Mice made their holes in the broken huts. They began to live in the village. Soon there were hundreds and thousands of mice in the village. So look what happened. There was a terrible earthquake. Because of earthquake, everybody tried to protect themselves. So everybody just ran out from their houses. Just some valuable things they take with them and run out from their houses. Then what happened? After some time, their huts and all these things are destroyed. ये क्या हो गए? सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए. डिस्ट्रॉय होने के बाद क्या होगा? वहाँ पे जो घर वगैरह थे उनके, वो सब कुछ फॉल डाउन हो गए. और उसके बाद में वहाँ पे at that village what happened, mouses are create small holes. It means mouses create their homes at that village. माउस के जो होल्स क्रिएट करते हैं, होल्स में क्या रहते हैं? माउस कहाँ पे रहते हैं? होल्स में रहते हैं. तो वो वहाँ पे उनके घर बनाने शुरू किए. एंड at last what happened? The mouse created their thousands and hundreds and thousands of mouse are lived there in that village. उस विलेज में कितने माउसेस रहने लगे? बहुत सारे, मतलब हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स माउसेस उस विलेज में रहने लगे. ओके. There was a big lake near the village. A herd of elephants visit the lake to drink the water and have a bath. This was fine for the elephants, but not for the mice. The elephants walked through the village to reach the lake. The elephants' big, heavy feet stepped on the mice. Many of the mice died and many were badly hurt. At the side of that village, there was a big lake and the herd of elephants. Herd means a group. Herd means H-E-R-D. Herd means group. That group of elephant elephant that came there to drink water and take bath. So it was that lake was very fine place for elephant, but that is not good for mice. Why? Because that mice, that elephant, when they went on that lake, so what happened? So they have so much they have big feet. उनके जो पैर होते हैं एलिफेंट के, वो कैसे बहुत बड़े होते हैं, और वो बड़े होने के कारण क्या करते हैं, वो जब चलते हैं तो उनके पैरों के नीचे बहुत सारे माइस क्या होते थे, वो डेड हो जाते थे या फिर इंजर्ड हो जाते थे. ओके, सो दिस मेड द माइस वेरी सैड. दिस made the mice very sad. They decided to have a meeting. All the mice gathered together for the meeting. Then what happened? They all mice think that we have to take any decision against this. Okay, so this suppose this everything anytime this happens, so what happened? One day that come, so no one mice will be live there. Okay, so they decided, so we have to take any action against that. So there were big mice and small mice, old mice and young mice. This is the category of mice. Okay, this is the category of mice. It means some mice are young, some mice are old, some are small and some are big. Okay, so there were hundreds and thousands of mice. One old mouse sat on a big rock. From that all mice, one mouse is a singular, and mice is a plural form of mouse. Mice, it means more than one mouse. Okay, so that there were hundreds and thousands of mice. One old mouse sat on a big rock. He was the leader. One old mouse is a leader of that all mice. Okay, so then what happened? What they are discussing next? Now we see what are we going to do about this elephant? He said. Then let's run away from here, said one mouse. So that leader said to all mice, what we are going to do against this. So one mice give their opinion. That mice told that we have to leave this place. We have to leave this place. So then next, yes, let's run away. हमें यहाँ से क्या करना चाहिए? हमें यहाँ से भाग जाना चाहिए. Said one group of mice. That said one group of mice. No, said another group. And then another group said, no, this is our home now. This is our home now. We can't run away. We can't run away from this, our house. No, we must not run away, said the big fat mouse. Then the big fat mouse told that we must not run away from this our house, because this is our house, and how can we live from our house? So the field are nearby. We have a lot of food here. So there one mouse told that big fat mouse told that there was a field at the side of that village also. So we just transfer our that place. It means we went from this place to another place. So we can get so much food. But what are we going to do about the elephants? Said the leader. So let's go and meet the king of the elephant. Squeaked any teeny mouse. Then एक teeny mouse क्या बोला? चिल्लाते हुए क्या बोला? Let's go and meet the king of the elephant. Now we also let's go and meet to the king of the elephant. It means the leader of the elephant. That's a good idea, said the leader. We must not waste time. We must go right now. So that leader told to everyone their all mice is, don't we now we don't have to waste our time now. Just now we must go right now. मतलब हम अभी क्या करेंगे, उनको जो एलिफेंट का लीडर है उनको मिलने के लिए जाएंगे. All the mice quickly went to meet the elephant. They reached the place where the king of the elephants lived. It was frightening. It was frightening. There were so many elephants there. There were so many elephants there, but the leader was brave. The leader was brave. When they reached at the place of the elephant, so what they saw there was so many elephants are there. Then they was frightening. They was frightening, but the leader of the mice was very brave. Okay, he squeaked as loudly as he could. He squeaked. Squeak, it means to make a short, very high sound. Squeak, it means to make a short. It make a short but very high sound. Very high sound. Okay. It means वो जोर से वो चिल्लाया. Why that mice, that leader of the mouse boy, why they that shout? Because that elephant was so big and that mouse was so small. So that was he shouted. He quickly. It means वो जोर से वो क्या हुआ, उनको मतलब सुनना आना चाहिए ना, सुनते आना चाहिए ना, इसलिए उसने क्या किया, वो जोर से वो चिल्लाया. Then he squeaked as loudly as he could. Your Majesty, please help us. Your Majesty, please help us. We live in an old village, not far from here. When a herd of elephants walks through our village, they stepped on many mice. So many mice had died, or many of them have got hurt. Please use some other way to go to the lake. Please help us. Some day we will help you. Okay, what he said, the leader of the mice, he said to the leader of the elephant to please, when you went at that lake, so what happened, we lived at that old village, and when you went from that village, so many mice are stepped away, so many mice are dead because of the step of the elephant. So कुछ मतलब बहुत सारे माइस क्या हो जाते हैं, डेड हो जाते हैं, या बहुत सारे माइस क्या हो जाते हैं, हर्ट हो जाते हैं, इंजर्ड हो जाते हैं. सो प्लीज़ आप क्या करो, आपका जो वे है, प्लीज़ चेंज योर वे, प्लीज़ चेंज योर पाथ. आप ये मतलब आपका जो रास्ता है वो क्या करो, आप मतलब वो चेंज करो. इफ़ यू हेल्प टू अस, then he said, if you help to us, then one day definitely we will help you. So if you help to us, so one day we also help to you. So you tiny mice are, then next what happened, you tiny mice are going to help us. when the leader of the elephant that heard that sound of that leader of the mouse, then he was very shocking, because what he said, the mouse, what he said, we will help you someday, we will help you someday. So he was, it means he was surprised, because that mice was very small. How can the mice help to elephant? Then he told the king of the elephant say that you teeny mice are going to help us. Laugh the king of the elephant. वो क्या बोला कि आप में हमारी मदद करोगे? देन वो क्या हुआ, वो हंसने लगा. That is very funny. How can tiny mice help big giants? बिग जाइंट्स को मतलब जो बिग जाइंट्स होते हैं, जाइंट्स मतलब क्या, मॉन्स्टर होते. तो राइट देयर जाइंट्स, इट मीन्स मॉन्स्टर. एक मॉन्स्टर के जैसे एलिफेंट है, तो उनको कैसे हेल्प करेंगे छोटे छोटे माइस? ओके, अवे एनीवे आई एम इन अ गुड मूड नाउ, सो वी विल यूज अनदर रूट टू गो टू द लेक. सो दैट रूट मीन्स wheel or earth. So that elephants, that king of the elephant told that he was very in fine mood. So he told that okay, no problem. From it means next time we use another route. Okay. Then next what happened? We will see now. Thank you, sir, said the mice. Then that mice said, thank you, sir. That mice are very happy. We will not forget our promise. We will not forget our promise. After some time, the king of the country decided that he wanted more elephant for his army. He wanted more elephant for his army. Then we also know that in army, जो आर्मी होती है, आर्मी में क्या करते थे, पहले एलिफेंट यूज करते थे. देखो जब सीरियल शुरू है अभी रामायण महाभारत, तो उसमें भी हम देखते हैं ना कि एलिफेंट पर कौन बैठा हुआ होता है, जो किंग होता है, तो वो सवार होते हैं एलिफेंट पर. सो दैट the king of the country decided that he want again some elephant for his army. Then he sent his soldiers to the jungle to capture more elephant. Then he that king of the country sent soldiers to the jungle to capture the more elephants. The soldiers threw a huge, strong, thick net that covered the herd of elephants. Then here huge means big. Okay. Then next thick means broad. Thick means broad. Then that soldiers throw their throw their huge and strong and thick net to capture to cover their herd of the elephant. Then what happened? The elephants tried hard to come out of the net, but they could not get free. वो बहुत ट्राई कर रहे थे कि वो नेट से बाहर आए, बट they not, उनको सक्सेस मिली क्या? No. Then next, the king of the elephant trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted, it means, I write here. ट्रम्पेट, इट मीन जो एलिफेंट होते हैं वो जोर से आवाज करते हैं ना, लाउडली, उनका जो आवाज होता है उसको ट्रम्पिंग बोलते हैं, ट्रम्पेट बोलते हैं उसको. ठीक है. उसके जो ट्रंक से वो ऊपर मतलब उसको उठाता जोर से ऐसे आवाज करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं ट्रम्पेट. ओके. सो उन्होंने अनाउंस किया जोर से. The mice heard them. Come, said the leader of the mice. Then I think the elephants need us. time has come to keep our promise. That sound of that elephant, that listen to that that leader of the mouse, and they decided that now the time has come to keep our promise. अब अभी टाइम है हमारा प्रॉमिस जो किया था कि हम आपके मतलब कभी भी आपको हेल्प करेंगे, तो ये हेल्प मतलब प्रॉमिस पूरा करने का अभी टाइम है. देन व्हाट हैपन, hundreds and thousands of mice rushed to the herd of elephants. Then we are here, said the head mouse. Said the head mouse, we are here to help you. Now all the mice are combined. Then togetherly they went there. Then the head of the mouse said that we are now here. Then we are going to help you. So don't worry. The whole night, hundreds and thousands of mice nibbled and chew at the huge, strong, thick net. So nibble, it means nibble, it means take small bite. Take small bite. Okay, so they take a small bite and chew that whole night. Then what happened? इट मीन्स दैट जो नेट थी, जो थिक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग नेट थी, उसको क्या किया उन्होंने, रात भर वो निबल किया एंड च्यू किया उसको. सो बाय मॉर्निंग द नेट वॉज फुल ऑफ बिग होल्स. The elephants were able to walk out of the net. Then what happened, at whole night they chewed that strong and thick net. Then what happened at morning, what happened, that net has so many big holes, and that big hole, from that big holes, that elephant can be came out from that net. Okay, so next, thank you so much, trumpeted the elephant. The elephant told to them, thank you very much, because that small mice was saved their life. Okay, so you are most welcome, squeaked the mice. The mice कैसे बोले, चिल्ला कर बोले, you are always welcome. So even a small creature can help a very big animal. So in this lesson we learn that even it means from nature, even small creature also help the big animals, help the big animals. Okay, in this way our lesson is complete. I hope you enjoy this story. Okay, so bye everyone.